Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to turn off personalized ads on YouTube. If you are seeing ads based on your searches, watch history, or interests, this setting will help you disable that tracking. So let's get started. First, open YouTube on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now tap on My Ad Center. This will open in your browser. Select the Google account you want to manage. Here, you will see different ad categories based on your interests, like games, shopping, or technology. These are used to show you ads that match your activity across Google services. If you don't want this kind of tracking, you can turn it off. Look for the option called Personalized Ads. Tap on it. You will see a message explaining that turning this off will remove your ad preferences and stop personalized ads. Now simply tap on Turn Off. Once disabled, you will still see ads, but they will no longer be based on your personal activity. This can help improve your privacy and reduce targeted advertising. So this is how you can turn off personalized ads on YouTube. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.